Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's Kitchen channel. Let's learn how to make these sweet plantains in coconut sauce known as ndizi za kiume in Kiswahili. These are the foods mostly eaten in East Africa, especially in Mombasa and Zanzibar during the month of Ramadan. So without further ado, let's start with our recipe. You'll take your plantains and make sure you've cleaned your plantains and cut them into two. Then afterwards, you're going to split them into two like so and remove the inner core. Then arrange them on a non-stick pan. If you don't have a non-stick pan, here's the tip. You'll take the peels of the banana and arrange them on your pan to avoid the bananas from sticking at the bottom. Once you're done preparing your plantains, you're going to pour a bit of water, sprinkle a bit of salt, a bit of cardamom, and cover the plantains to cook on a medium heat until soft. Once the plantains are halfway cooked, you're going to pour a half a cup of thick coconut milk to get light coconut milk because there's a bit of water left. Then you're going to add some sugar. I've added 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add or you can reduce the sugar, that's up to you. And let the plantains to continue to cook until soft. Lastly, you're going to add some raisins. Raisins are optional, and let the plantains to continue to cook until nicely cooked and soft. Meanwhile aside, we're going to prepare our thick coconut milk. Pour a half a cup of thick coconut milk and place it on a medium heat. Stir constantly and let the coconut milk to cook until it becomes super thick. And once ready, and our plantains here are ready, drizzle the thick coconut milk on top of the plantains and let the plantains to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes and your plantains will be ready. And our sweet plantains in coconut sauce are ready. As you can able to see in the video, they're nicely cooked and they're so tasty. You can serve along with some hot tea or anything that you like and enjoy your plantains. If you're going to try out this recipe, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And see you next time. Bye bye.